Good morning. Here's today's Hedge Plus market monitor for Monday, March 17th. Overnight, we've seen Russian wheat forecasts lowered, and they are getting record high temperatures in some regions with no rain. So that has definitely provided a boost to the wheat market on the overnight, and it's kind of helping lift all markets across the board, all the grain markets. We're also seeing lower ending stocks now in both the U.S., which we already knew, but South America as well, with lowered projected ending stocks based on demand there. And what that's setting up to create is a situation where any weather at all is going to provide a boost to the markets, probably even to a greater degree than normal. The stocks are just too tight to ignore any weather issue. So as soon as a weather issue even starts to pop up on the horizon, you're going to start to see premium being built in. So that should be pretty helpful for the markets in general, unless of course we just get perfect weather, which we all know I think is not going to happen in both places for an extended period of time. Before we get to that weather premium, though, we have seen basically Argentina catch up to where Brazil was. Brazil, their weather improved so dramatically, it brought their projections back in line with the original projections that the USDA is stuck with. Well, the same thing has happened in Argentina now. Their weather has improved to such a degree that their projections are coming back to the lofty numbers that we saw at the beginning. But again, we're just any weather disruption away. And as I say that, they're already talking about how Brazil's forecast 10 to 15 days is looking too dry. And if that comes to fruition, they're right back into a position where they have to add weather premium. On the whole, money managers have reduced their long egg positions to the lowest numbers since September after 3 straight weeks of selling. That's obviously, I think, having more to do with having to be prepared just in case the U.S. loses its grain exports. If the tariffs and the trade disagreements lead to no one buying from us, they had to protect against that. They haven't gone completely net short in corn yet. So I think they just put themselves in a safer position. As soon as we get some kind of resolution, I think they're going to start charging long again. Moving on to the weather, this weekend did indeed bring severe storms to the southern plains with heavy winds. It was knocking over semi-trailers. There's definitely fear across Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas of soil erosion from the heavy winds and the general dryness there. Like I said in the previous slide, Brazil, the weather's been fantastic. Kept hearing about the ideal mix of rain and sun. Well, now they're the first notions that they're starting to be worried about a lack of rain popping up back there again and again with tight ending stocks. Any weather concern is probably going to be exaggerated, whether it's here or in South America. Argentina, this is kind of following what Brazil was going through the past couple of weeks, where hot and dry pattern is considered good. It's helping them with harvest. Again, if that lasts too long, suddenly it becomes a problem. And like I said, Russia is seeing record high temperatures in some regions. No rain to speak of. That's leading to those lower wheat forecasts and boosting the wheat market as a whole. Overnight prices, as I was saying, up 12.5 cents with May wheat. This is as of 5:30, and that's helping to lift corn and soybeans as well. That's all for today. Have a great day, everyone.